Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you and tell you how you can remove your Google Authenticator from your Bitget account. As you can see, we are on the Bitget account, so let us begin. Ensure you have access to your account, credentials and a backup of your Authenticator code or recovery keys before proceeding. So guys, now let's begin. So firstly, of course, you need to log into your Bitget account. I don't have an account, so I'm just going to give you an explanation. After that, you need to, of course, log in. So visit Bitget's website or open the app to log in. You can just tap on the login right here and log in into your account as so. After that, you may need to use the current Google Authenticator code to log in. Now, step number 2 is navigating to your security settings. So once logged in, go into the profile icon and after that choose security settings from the drop-down menu. And after that, of course, you can easily disable the Google Authenticator in the settings. In the security settings menu, you can locate the Google Authenticator section, click disable or unlink next to Google Authenticator. After that, verify your request. Bitget will require you to verify your identity before removing Google Authenticator. This may include such information: entering the current Google Authenticator code, providing email verification, answering any security questions, and after that, step number 5 is going to be confirming the change. Once verified, confirm removal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that Google Authenticator has been successfully unlinked from your account. And that's basically it, guys. The last tip I will give you is a important note. If you've lost access to your Google Authenticator and can't log in, you'll need to contact Bitget or Bitget, I don't know how to pronounce it, support. Provide them with proof of identity and any required documentation to regain access. Guys, if this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one.